Howdy folks, I'm Jake from Swoogo. So, most event teams think personalization starts when attendees show up for your event. But the reality is that personalization starts long before your event even begins. Every email, every click, every question that you ask on registration starts to shape how people experience your event. Today, I want to walk you through how you can personalize the attendee journey long before the event starts without creating more work for your team. So, why does personalization matter? Before your event, attendees are deciding 3 different things. Number 1, am I in the right place? Number 2, is this even the right event for me to be at? And number 3, and arguably the most important, is this event even worth my time? What am I doing here? Personalization answers all 3 of those questions. When the experience feels like it's relevant early on, your registration rates improve, your attendance goes up, and engagement is easier to sustain later. So, how do we do this? Start with intentional registration data. Personalization doesn't require more data, it requires better data. Instead of bloated forms, focus on questions that directly inform the experience. Who is this event for? What are they hoping to get out of this event? What kind of content or connections matter the most? This gives you clean inputs that you can actually act on before the event. Next, use logic to shape different attendee pathways. Not every attendee should have the same journey. And I repeat, not every attendee should have the same journey. Speakers, sponsors, VIPs, first-time attendees, returning attendees all need different information and different touch points. Using conditional logic, you can guide people down pathways that make sense for them. Different questions, different confirmation messages, and different next steps. The experience feels personal, but the system stays scalable. Personalize your communications before the event. Once someone registers, personalization should continue automatically. Segmented emails based on role, interests, or session preferences help attendees feel seen. And is that not what we are all looking for, is to feel seen? You can share relevant content, prep materials, or recommended sessions long before the event starts. This builds confidence and momentum instead of information overload. Personalization isn't only about logistics, it's about expectation setting. Some of us call that boundaries. We're setting boundaries here. When attendees can see content, tracks, or experiences that align with their goals before the event, they're much more likely to show up engaged. For example, let's say that someone shows up to your event and indicates that they are a first-time attendee, and maybe they're more interested in learning instead of networking. Instead of sending them the same old generic agenda that everyone else gets, maybe you could recommend to them beginner-friendly sessions, or recommended talks to attend first, and maybe an email of what to expect on day 1. Meanwhile, a returning attendee could get something a little more. Their confirmation experience could include a list of advanced sessions, or VIP networking opportunities, or private roundtables that they qualify for. Same event, different expectations, better outcomes. Think personalized agendas, targeted communications, and early access to what matters most to each attendee. Personalization is a system, not another campaign. The best personalized experiences don't feel flashy, they feel thoughtful. When you use registration data intentionally and apply logic where it matters and automate relevant communication, you're building an attendee journey that feels designed, not generic. And when that journey starts before the event, everything else feels easier. If you want to personalize attendee journeys without adding complexity, platforms like Swoogo are built to help you find that balance. From flexible registration pathways to segmented communications and clean attendee data, you can create pre-event experiences that feel personal and still scale across your entire event portfolio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to be the first to see more videos like this one. Until the next video, take care.